Have you ever wondered how photographers get so close to wild animals? Well, the secret's through the lens. Let's zoom in to take a closer look at animals like never before. We're in Masai Mara, Kenya. When the sun goes down, it's lights, camera, action. Oh look, lions! They're on the move, so watch out. Using only the natural light from the moon, a thermal imaging camera captures pictures of animals in the middle of the night. Shh, we need to stay hidden so we don't spook them. The long lens brings us up close to the action, while keeping the filmmaker at a safe distance. Phew, that means they won't trample all over my sandwiches. All cameras use light to identify an image, but the thermal imaging camera uses temperature too. This camera detects an animal's body heat. Oh, hello, Trunky! Known as infrared radiation, the camera processes infrared radiation and converts it into a visual image, even in the pitch black. Pretty cool, eh?
Hello? Where's my herd? I can't be alone out here.
So, if you're ever on a night safari, you'll want a thermal imaging camera to capture the world's most amazing animals. Zoom in, focus, and take in the wild world every day.